for today. So it's been pretty hectic the last 2 days. Nothing really much, well, nothing really transpiring for me. But there are a couple of things I want to highlight. And the first one that popped up this morning is the Euro New Zealand dollar. So you can see we are in a clear downtrend. We are moving down, okay? And we are respecting breakout levels. You can see here's a major breakout level here. We came back, we did try to test it. Didn't quite get onto it, but it was a test nevertheless. Then we had another one here. And you can see we tested it and we are moving to the downside at the moment. So if we come down to the hour, you'll see there's our breakout level there. We tested it once, we tested it twice. Is that a test or is that a breakout? Okay, so the reason why I've got this one up is because this could be a trend change. So what I'm looking for, you see this area here, you see it was used as support, used as resistance, broken out, broken through, come back, tested as support. We're above the moving averages. Okay, you can see we are testing the next area here. Okay, that is looking like an opportunity for a trend reversal. Okay, so often if you're a pattern trader, you would be looking at this, you'd be looking for another pullback, which is probably going to form an inverse cup and handle, or sometimes it'll form a inverse head and shoulders. Nevertheless, basically what's happening is you were in a pretty strong downtrend and you've created new highs. Okay, so they're the previous highs. My fractals are the previous highs. So those are the highs that have been violated basically, and you're now creating higher lows at the same time. Okay, so the next level obviously would be a breakout of 176273. So this is an interesting one for me because I think I would be interested in getting in long on this right now. Okay, so I'll wait for Europe basically, because we could get a retest of this area here. But if you look at it on the 15 minutes, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Here's the downtrend. Okay, respecting the moving average, we broke through the moving average. We then tested the moving average right over there. Okay, see there? Okay, and then we have had if I can get it, it's over there, yeah. We've had another attempt at testing a level right there. We've tested a level right there. Okay, and we are currently testing that same level again. Okay, volumes are low at the moment, but this is definitely something that I am watching today for an opportunity to get in long. It does look like a trend reversal, and even if I come to the 4 hour, you'll see what we're looking at here. And I almost guarantee if you look at this on the Bollinger, this would be a Bollinger W forming. Okay, anyway, that's that. Euro USD, there has been a flag break here. So let's just get the flag first. There's the top of the flag. There is the bottom of the flag. And again, we are on a level. Okay, remember there's a massive level here that we are on. Let's go to the weekly quickly. And you'll see it's not exact, but you can see all the interaction around this area of 11350. Okay, so 11350 is pretty much the area that we're in at the moment. Now, if you come back down to the 8 hour, you can see there's our flag break. What are we looking for? I'm looking for a retest of a level. And if I come down to the hour, you can see the retest of my level is going to be somewhere in this area. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking for. I'm looking for another bit of a pullback. It could come as deep as, get the exact number here for you, could come as deep as 112736, or alternatively it could be at 113157, or somewhere in between 112943. So regardless of that, I am looking for some kind of a bit of a pullback, and then I am anticipating a break of this level. Okay, now this is definitely an opportunity for long, so it's long on the pullback, or alternatively breakout, come back, retest, and start turning, then it's long on the breakout. Okay, Euro Aussie dollar. Another interesting one, because this to me right now is another area that could be a potential bottom. Now, I don't like bottom picking, but you've got to look at what's going on here. Bottom of all the support, look here. Look at the support, this area we're bouncing off. Now, we're on the weekly chart, and I am now going back. When was this? It was started pretty much back then. Okay, so that's 114 weeks. Okay, so all the way back to 2018. No, further back, 2017. All the way back to 2017, this area has been respected. Okay, so for me, this downward trend, I think, is coming to an end, and there is opportunities abound for getting in off the bottom here. Okay, so it could be a trend reversal. So what we're waiting for is a break of this range. So right now we're ranging. So we either need to see a break of the range to the upside, or alternatively, I want to see it come back onto structure. What structure am I looking for? So look left, guys. There is structure right there. Okay, see there's support, there's resistance. Okay, we haven't quite tagged it yet, but anything back onto 162053 is potentially an opportunity for a long, but I would prefer a break of 163479 because of the range. Okay, just come to the 4 hour quickly, and you'll see that is a potential double bottom. So in other words, any break above 163652 would validate that, and you're going to move pretty much back up into this area here. Okay, so that is a pretty interesting chart because of the major support we've got down here. If that gives, we're in for a rocky ride to the downside, that's for sure. Okay, so US dollar, Canadian dollar is another one which is in a clear downtrend. We have come back and we've tested a level. If we pick it up there, you can see there was our level. Came back yesterday, tested it, got a bit of a pin bar off here. I didn't take this trade, but it is still a valid trade. What you're looking for now is the next level to be violated and tested. Okay, which is going to be right at the bottom here. But again, this is another scenario which does look like a bit of ranging after a trend. So normally when you get a range after a trend, it's either going to consolidate, move down, or it's going to move to the upside. So the longer it stays in the trend, the more of a probability it is it's going to reverse. The shorter it stays in the trend, the higher the probability is going to continue. So right now we're kind of neutral on this one. I don't think there's anything there. Aussie dollar, US dollar. This is another one which you can see we had these 3 levels drawn in yesterday. Okay, and if we look at price came back onto them, and the buyer stepped in right there. Okay, so one bit of a concern here is that profit taking happened right here at the previous level. If you look to the left, you can see the congestion right here. Okay, not exact, never is an exact science, but you can see the congestion. So what we're looking for now is a break above 069776. That would validate the double bottom, and that double bottom target is going to be testing the highs again. Okay, Swiss franc, Japanese yen. So this was looking like an opportunity for a long. You can see we almost came back down to 112452. I think for me right now, this is kind of neutral. We're all over the place right now. We're not really respecting moving averages or anything right now. So we are creating lower highs and lower lows. So it could be a trend reversal here. And if I just use some of these levels here just to highlight a few things. Put that one there, get rid of that one, get rid of that one. Okay, so you can see we moved down, price came up, tested the previous breakout, which is right over here at 113591, and we're currently moving down. Okay, so the next level is these fractals here. You can see all these fractals onto here, see all this, use the support, so use the resistance here, use the support here, use the support, broken through, hasn't been tested. So if this level holds, which is possible, and there's another area here that you need to pay attention to, and that's this trend line. So we've broken the trend line, we're coming back to test the break, but we're also coming back to test the breakout level, which coincidentally is at 113068. If that holds and we start getting some bullish price action off there, that's going to get me long again. Okay, so let's just recap what I'm saying here. Trend is up. There's no reason to be looking for shorts. Yes, we have a pretty strong move down at the moment, but look at your higher time frames. Even the 4-hour trend is still up. Okay, I think if we break through this level here of 112566, we can move down, so then we can start looking for shorts. But for me right now, this is really looking like we've broken through this level here. We broke through, we found resistance up here at 113591. We're now looking for support. There's no support where we are now. There's no reason to jump in on this. We have broken a trend line. So what we're looking for is a lower high. And I bet you if we put a Fibonacci on this setup here, it's probably going to line up as well. There's your 50, there's your 60, with the level slap bang between the two. Okay, so it doesn't matter whether you are trading trend line breaks like this, and you're waiting for the retest, you're waiting for breakouts. So I look for horizontal levels of support and resistance to find to buy off support and sell off resistance, and that's the level we're looking at. If you're a Fibonacci trader, that would be an area you'd be interested in as well. So yeah, there's 3 different types of traders that would be looking at this area right now, looking for a long, and that's 113064. Okay, anyway, that's Swiss franc, Japanese yen, euro, Swiss franc. We've had a pretty strong move to the upside. We've had a fairly deep pullback into some structure. It's not perfect, but we are close to structure. So what I'd be interested in right now is I would like us to regain this area here. So if we can regain 108011, so in other words, get above it, come back and test it, that would give me some confidence for a move to the upside. Right now, one move down, consolidation, second move down, consolidation, could be a third move down to come and tag this area here of 107333. If you just look to the left, it's going to pop onto the 4-hour here. You'll see the areas that we actually need a pullback back to is a deeper one into 107088. Pullback into that area gives us a proper setup. Right now, we are kind of in this area here, which it is a valid setup. It's just I would prefer a bit of a deeper pullback. But anyway, this is worth watching as well. Definitely something I'm watching today, just to see what transpires here. I want to see us regain this level here, 108011. Alternatively, I want to see us visit an area down here at 107039. I want to see higher highs before getting in for a long down there. Okay, yeah, that's kind of the few that I'm watching today. Yesterday, nothing really transpired, nor did anything really transpire on on Monday. So hopefully today we can get some trades going. I think what's happened is a lot of these pairs have run hard. They've had some really good trends, and now we're sort of treading water, consolidating or retracing, getting ready for the next move. Whether it's up or down is debatable just yet. There's no clear indication, so we go with whatever trend those pairs are in at the moment until we get confirmation of the change of direction. Anyway, hope that helps you guys. If you like what you hear, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and help us grow the channel. Anyway, we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.